Open Inkscape, go to View Zoom 1 to 1. Move the page out of the view. Draw a rectangle and give it a color. Duplicate the rectangle. Open Fill and Stroke menu. And go to Paint Surface. Now select the black wave pattern. Duplicate the object again. Select the white wave pattern and place it accordingly. Duplicate the object again and select the black dots and do the same with white dots. Place them accordingly. Duplicate again and select a texture. Go to Fill and Stroke and reduce the opacity and change the blend mode to overlay. Select all and group them. Now create a rectangle. Select all again and right click Set Clip. You can be creative and add more designs as you like. Thank you for watching.